How to make high converting landing pages that also rank high on Google. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create high converting landing pages that will also rank high on Google search results. So let's get into it. Now, landing pages are simple pages that can be considered as a marketing page or a promotional page where you are trying to sell your product or service or promote your product or service as well as get customers to sign up. So that is what a landing page usually refers to in most e-commerce situations or most service industries as well. Now, what are some of the things that need to be optimized in a landing page for it to be high converting as well as to rank high on Google? Now, these are two different things. To be high converting means to get your leads to convert into customers or clients. And secondly, to rank high on Google is to rank high in search engine optimization. So these two things can be achieved simultaneously, and I will tell you guys exactly how. Now, to get started, you can use any kind of website builder. You can edit your own website, whatever you are using to build your landing page. You can find a lot of landing page templates to get started with. Now, let's say I have this product landing page over here, and let's say I have this one. I can simply click on view over here to show you guys what it's going to look like. Now, this is an example of a template. So you have the product, you have a call to action, a buy now button, and if you keep on scrolling, you have features, then you have, dual features as well as subscriptions, and then at the bottom, you just have a subscribe button. Now, this website is also optimized for a mobile view, so that is something that is very, very essential. And there are some things that this template actually lacks, but overall it is a okay template. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's fine. Now, what are the things that this template could be improved with? And what are those tips that I will give you guys to have high converting and high rankings on Google? First off, the first issue with this landing page is that the call to action on the front page is not very direct. Oftentimes you need multiple different call to actions, and this page only has one call to action on the top, and if you keep on scrolling, you only have buy now buttons, but there isn't a indirect call to action. That is my first issue with that template and why I would not use this without customizing it. Then you also have the fact that there is no direct communication. So for most websites, I recommend that you have a social connect button or a simple button where people can chat to a customer service support, or have a chat bot over here where people can ask their queries or questions, because nowadays people want instant information and instant responses. So you want to make sure that you have a WhatsApp automated robot that can answer most of the basic queries that a customer could have. Thirdly, I think another issue with this template is that the subscription is very much at the bottom. And now I don't think that this is really that bad. However, the placement could be a little bit improved. Maybe a subscription should be left as a pop-up and then at the bottom. Simply placing it at the bottom is just too further down the page for customers to notice. Now, I will take you guys to some other sample pages or some more examples. Now, this is black and bold. This is a coffee subscription. First off, this is their header. It's simple, it's efficient. Then they just say how easy it is to get started. And then they have multiple call to actions. So I can easily shop for the specific item that I want. And then you even have a manage your subscription button. Then you have all the benefits. And then you have their most popular items with prices, and this is just the business listing where I can actually just open up the item and purchase it. And this is one of the things that enables you to be able to purchase a product seamlessly and effectively. So this is a good example of a landing page. Now they also have accessibility features which are super effective. Because you want to be inclusive for everyone, this is going to enable your customers to reach you directly no matter what kind of customers that they might be. So they can have they have larger text, they have dyslexia friendly, they have cursors, line height, so on and so forth that they can customize. Then we have another example of a call to action where this is a dental clinic. Now this kind of landing page is going to be slightly different simply because they are not a product seller. They're not selling a product. But with this, they have the features, they have the locations, they have request an appointment, they have their basic call to action, then they also have video and loads of text. Now, this is one quip that I have with this specific landing page, is that it does not have a lot of text. And I will tell you guys why text is important in a high converting plus high SEO optimized landing page. If you want your page to be high converting as well as to be optimized for SEO, the more text you have, the better that you can rank for multiple keywords. So that is why adding a lot of text, adding some more text is going to be helpful for your landing page. Now you can see over here they have a video. As soon as you scroll down, they have some text where they can rank for SEO phrases and words. Then they have a simple checklist for people that don't want to actually read the text, because your text is not for people to read in detail. It's more so you can optimize your SEO and rank higher in search results. Then they have all their doctors, all their services, and their specific reviews. Now, in terms of reviews, anyone can add fake reviews to their website. So you want to make sure that the reviews that you have added are as authentic as possible. And I don't support that you add fake reviews simply because you can easily catch them. Now, you also want to enlist your phone number on the top right of the screen or on any visible surface of your screen that is going to stay in front of the customer. So if it is a appointment scheduling or booking kind of website or landing page, they can easily do so. Then you also have their financing options, their blogs, and then their appointment setup at the bottom. Now, the reason that I like this appointment setup, which you guys might feel like, hey, I just said that putting emails at the bottom is not that helpful. Well, the reason that this is effective is because on the top right, they also have their number and a contact us page. And on the bottom, they also have a schedule an appointment. So you are getting multiple redirections to actually schedule an appointment. If your landing page is trying to sell a product, then you can simply put another product placement at the bottom of your website. And these are just some of the things that you can do to optimize your page or to optimize a template for you to get started with your own landing page. So you can see over here, this is a simple example of a landing page. It's good, it's fine. I would recommend that you add some more text to it, but this template is a lot better than some of the other templates available. Now, these are just some of the tips that I talked about: having a chat box, having a accessibility feature, having a mobile compatible version because a lot of your customers, your clients might be from mobile devices, making sure you have loads of text that targets multiple different keywords, as well as making sure that your website has multiple call to actions where people can purchase or schedule or book an appointment. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.